Look at that. What is going on, guys? It's your boy. I don't know why I just said it's your boy. So I don't usually do intros to my videos, but I'm feeling an intro today. So we're at this hotel. It's in the southwest of England. I won't name the exact location for obvious reasons, but I'm sure if you are from the southwest of England, you have seen this place. It's hours away from where I live, so hopefully we don't get caught. Doesn't look like I'm going to struggle to get in, which is nice. But this place is a pretty decent size. This is what I've seen online. It looked way bigger online. It's actually quite small. But let's go and check it out. Hopefully there's no... Did he live in here? Ooh. Nice little bed there with some glass on it. Nice and comfy. Shower room, what's left of one. This place is pretty destroyed, but it's awesome. Quite a beautiful little place with all the trees and that in it. So I'm really enjoying hotels at the moment. They're quite cool places to explore and they're always quite grand, beautiful buildings. I don't know if this place has a swimming pool. I hope it does, because that's just kind of my thing. I like swimming pools. But unfortunately, if you've got nowhere to go, a hotel is a good place. So you've got to watch out for the more unfortunate people, and by that I mean homeless people. Hopefully there's nobody about. That's why I think it's best to hit these places in the daytime, when they might be out doing bits, because at night time they need somewhere to sleep. All the rooms are pretty similar, really. Pretty decent size for a hotel having multiple rooms. As you can see, there's not a ton left here. Well, I mean, there is stuff left here, but it's all been vandalised, unfortunately. I've got my bike boots on, still covered in clay from a quarry I did yesterday. That video will be out eventually. I'm gonna have to go quiet because there's a place there. I might not go in every single room because we'll be here for ages. And I have a second location today, an old school. I think these are pretty much the same things, really, because it's got quite a lot of ground to cover. The rooms are getting smaller now. That's odd. Oh shit. I could hear beeping. It could just be a truck reversing. Pretty cool place though. So I didn't do a ton of research on this one. On screen at the moment there will be information on when the building was abandoned and so on, and why. Unless we can work it out if part of it's burnt down or something. This is awesome. Look at that. That is one of the coolest little staircases I've seen in an abandoned building. Take a quick picture for the ground. With the fucking light streaking through it and stuff. That's actually one of the coolest things I've seen in one of these. Look at that. Mental. Whoa. Okay. Mask on. This place has been absolutely obliterated. I haven't seen any asbestos though. Unless it's above those wooden boards. Which is a nice sign. This place is smashed to shit. What? Let's just see through the old building. Look at that. Quick pick for the gram, I reckon. So I didn't bring my DSLR, my big camera. Travelling light because we're doing long journeys. And a spare pair of shoes in case I had to climb. So no proper good photos, unfortunately. Oh. Wow. Yeah, graffiti in there. Smashed right the way through again. Jeez. Look at this. So the place is proper banged up. Oh. I was like, hang on, what if the door just opens? These rooms all seem pretty much the same. I guess this is just where the rooms were rather than any recreational areas. Crazy. So yeah, just phone shots today really. So this is a new holiday place. Right there. Like chalets. Which is why I'm keeping my voice down out here. This is a sick location though. So there's another building we'll check out. That could have been the recreational place, the reception and that. But just look at that. Isn't that cool? Get another picture from up here quickly. The shot. Oh yeah. Mad. I love this. I just love it when nature takes back the building. And you get all the beautiful stairs and that. It's so cool. Honestly, I expected it to be harder to get in. This place isn't boarded up at all. Hello? I think we're sound. Oh, there is someone here. You alright? That never stops being weird. Meeting people in these places. I knew I heard someone. That bar's pretty cool though. Roof's completely gone. Pint of Guinness please, mate. See, I feel like this place would be a lot more beautiful if it wasn't covered in graffiti and smashed to shit. But unfortunately, if you don't get there in time, that just seems to be the pattern with these places. See what's crack-a-lacking down there. Stairs. Got rooms in here. Paperwork everywhere, mate. looking for a year. Not getting one, I don't think. Although there'll be a date on this. 2003. Okay, so it's at least 2003. Which seems about right. I wouldn't say it was older than 2003 in this state. Just cupboards. A pack of fags there. There's another building down there. Always got to do the quick check to make sure it's recording. Oh my god. Is this an oven? Yeah. Just an oven. Nothing too exciting. I'm looking for a really epic view. Ooh. So these aren't that rotten. Famous words before falling through. But wow. Probably a good idea to stick beam aside as much as possible. What? This place is sick. So honestly, it's not quite as big as I expected. It's a smaller location than I thought it was. But it's a pretty one. I want to find a pool. I don't know if the hotel ever had a pool. It looks like it didn't, which has got me fuming. You know, I like my pools. So the upstairs is actually quite small. The old place is a lot smaller than it looked online, but like I said, it's a nice place. Not the worst location I've been to. Not the smallest either. The bar's cool. Just a shit ton of rubble. And spray cans from the graffiti boys. I just looked down like, hang on, am I stood on asbestos? But I don't think so. We'll go see what that other building is. I think we'll go out and round. Doesn't look like we can go through the other way, it's all overgrown. Zero security on it though, which is crazy. It's just a walk straight in through the front door job, which is always nice. I mean, it can be, call that shit. It can be exciting when you got to climb stuff. But honestly, I'm not in the mood, and I'm wearing my boots. It's just a hassle. No, I'm not climbing that. Fat road there, don't mind me. We're going down a track. Hey, this is a cool little one. Full of shit. See, I'm happy I wear boots when I'm walking around on glass. Don't understand people that do this in like trainers. It's just going to end badly. But in these, at least I'm like a bit more confident that I probably won't get a piece of glass through my foot. And the light's not working again. There we go. Midget's window. Oh, this is way bigger than I thought it was. Oh, we're in the other building I was looking at, I think. Ooh. Walking on the beams. Stairs. Stairs are always cool. Whoa, what? That's not what I was expecting. Actually bigger than I thought now. I take it back. No pool. Gutted. Fuming. I was hoping for a pool down there. Skate ramps. Locals getting here, obviously. No way! Hey! Spiral staircase mush. We do like a spiral staircase that leads to a hedge. Go in the downstairs here and check it out. I think that was me. Whoa! Okay, so I've now given away the locations of this place. I don't think I'm going to be able to blur that one out unless I cut the whole video. So, that's great. What's this hole? Whoa. Nope. This is a cool room. Besides the stairs, I think this is the coolest bit we've seen. I do like big rooms in bandos. There's just something weird about it. You think about all the people playing think about all the people playing basketball and that. Is this a basketball court? It might be multiple sports, like you'd have at school. Still beer in that one. Kind of like gym machine, is that a running machine? Cross trainer, that's what it is. I know my cross trainers I do. Fuming there's no pool. I don't know what this would have been for, but it ain't a pool. Got a hotel with these views doesn't have a pool. Like, what do you mean? I'd be fuming if I came to stay here and was like, "Hey mate, where's the pool?" And they were like, "Nah lad, we ain't got one." I'd be like, "Well, sort it out mate, before I spin your drawer." So if you go to a hotel at this like location and there's no pool, someone's jaw's getting spun. What's the point in that? Just go along the steps. Ah, skateboards, I bet. Who missed that? What's that? Guess it's just electrics. Some kind of generator? I have no idea. Anyone can tell me what that is, then big up you. I think we might have to go to the top floor. I have a ritual of just every abandoned place I go to that has a view, or like, you know, some rooftop. We go up there and we have a fag. So I think our fag location is going to be looking out over the views. Usually I avoid smoking in abandoned buildings just in case you set fire to it, but it's out of respect as well really. But I think we'll be all good in this one. Yeah. Oh, what? There's some people again. Is this a different building? It is. I'm getting well spun out. This is like same building, no access. Oh my god! That was intense. Well, if they're chilling the other one, I'll chill in this one. Although the views aren't as good. Now we're chilling the other one, fuck it. Missed the whole room. Do you ever photograph with a phone and occasionally you just get an absolute banger and then you look at the DSLR ones and they're just shit? Maybe it's just because I suck at using a DSLR, but I'm learning. Go to the roof and have a ciggy.